Hello, good morning students. Welcome in our class of chapter 6 of class 8 SST, and in that history portion. And students, we are taking today chapter 6, which we have completed some part of this chapter in previous video. Now we are forwarding from there. Students, in your course book, page number 70. So students, that day we have been discussed up to page number 70's first case study of Vishnu Bhatt Godse, who was a Marathi travel writer. In his travelogue Majha Pravas, My Travels, he talked about his experience of traveling to North India during the time of the revolt of 1857. During his journey with his uncle, he had met Rani Lakshmi Bai and later became a court priest of Jhansi. He met mutineers and Indian soldiers who gave him accounts of what was happening. One such account was given by a group of sepoys who told him to go back home as there would be great uprising soon. They told him that the British was going to wipe out Hinduism and Islam, and the kings who did not accept their policies. The sepoys told Godse that the British had made a list of more than 80 rulers against whom they were going to take action. The British rebellion was termed as a religious war and a date was fixed for the beginning. Letters and notes were also being exchanged between cantonments to mobilize sepoys for the mutiny. So students, in topic of people's narrative of page number 70, people's narrative. What is people's narrative, students? If you see in Hindi, लोगों की कही बातें, कही या लिखी बातें. So students, so in this case Vishnu Bhatt Godse, we see that he was a Marathi travel writer. He used to write and used to travel. Once he traveled in northern India part of our country, and he met to Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi and also became their priest means pujari for some days, some years or some months there in Jhansi, and there he gets to know that the mutineers, the rebellions and the sepoys who are, what is mutineers, students? First you have to know. Mutineers, that means Baghi Sena. This mutineers word is used for that sepoys who were rebellion against British rule. And there we also see that someone is telling about the religious discrimination of British, that they wanted to get harms to Hindu and Muslims beside Christians, and they decided to swipe out 80 rulers of the country who are not taking opinion of and who are not giving support of theirs to British, or somehow they are not undertake to British to overtake them. So students, these were 80 rulers whom British has listed and had listed that in future they will get a war with them. And second case, there is Sitaram Pandey, was a sepoy in the company army who rose to the position of Subedar. He served in the army for 48 years from 1812 to 1860. He fought many wars for the British and was awarded medals for his service. In his book From Sepoy to Subedar, he wrote about his experiences of working under the British. He fought with the British soldiers and other Indian sepoys to suppress the mutiny. Pandey said that the mutiny was a result of conservative Indians turning against the British. He wrote that annexation of Awadh in 1856 sowed the seeds of the rebellion and the dethroning of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah and Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II ignited the minds of Sipahis. So students, as we know, Bahadur Shah II was deposed and sent to Burma's jail in today's Myanmar, that time Burma. He was the last ruler of Delhi throne of Mughal, and they deposed him as there will not any successor who will succeed after this ruler. So Emperor Bahadur Shah II or Bahadur Shah Jafar was the last ruler of Mughals, and Wajid Ali Shah, Nawab of Awadh, who was also a prominent ruler, was also deposed by the doctrine of lapse or misgovernance, giving allegation or imposing allegation on Wajid Ali Shah of misgovernance, and by this they took up these regimes in their part. So mutinies or the rebellions or the you can say revolts which were occurred that time only because of these two deposition of Nawabs and Mughal rulers. So Pandey wrote that while the sepoys were being instigated, the British officials introduced the Enfield rifles and sent some officers to tell the sepoys how to operate them. And students, this was time that in the mind of rebellions, in the mind of sepoys of British, but who were natively from India or who were basically from India, sepoys who were working, soldiers who were working with British company, but originally they were from India because they were born here. That is why they were thinking about the rulers of here, like Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh and our Emperor Bahadur Shah of Delhi, last Mughal ruler in 1857. So these two instances made rebellions or soldiers who are in rebellion against the British started thinking rivalry and wars against British. And third case was there, the introduction of Enfield rifles. Students, it is very important topic to understand Enfield rifles. Students, British introduced Enfield rifles and whose cartridge was supposed to greased by with lard and tallow. What is lard and tallow, student? Fat of a pig or fat of a cow. The students, there was a rifle, Enfield rifle. In that the cartridges that bullets were there, made of lard and tallow. That means fat of pig, that is lard, and tallow, that means fat of cow. So it was in news of soldiers' mind that British is going to demoralize their religions and British is going to overthrow their religions or at behalf of British or Christianity. So students, this make our soldiers angered and mutineers became more angered, and the sepoys thought that the British wanted to convert them into Christianity. When Pandey reported this story to his higher official, he was asked not to talk about. An order was passed that the grease was not made with the fat or cow or pig, and the sepoys could use their own grease for the cartridges. But the sepoys were convinced that the British were trying to destroy their religion. And there is a name, Uncle Pandey, as you know. And first he opposed that we could not touch that cartridges from our mouth, because in that cartridges and bullets of rifle there is fat of pig and fat of cows, which is not allowed in our religion. Muslims are not allowed to touch the fat of pig, and Hindus are not allowed to touch the fat of cow. So this was the reason and Indian realized that all Hindu and Muslim realized that British wanted to discriminate their religion and destroy their religion and expand their Christianity. Mangal Pandey approached all soldiers with him and started rebellion in Meerut. And students, it is very well known. Now students, in I wish and I knew, the whole country did not participate in the Sepoy mutiny. Hyderabad, Kashmir, Sikhs from Punjab and Northwest Frontier province supported the British. This is very important thing, students. So in the team of sepoys, we see Mangal Pandey. Then he was associated with Bahadur Shah II. Ruler of last Mughal ruler of Delhi, deposed by British, and they were also supported with Wajid Ali Shah, Awadh ruler. And later we see Queen of Jhansi. Later we see Satara, Sambhalpur, Jaipur, and different regimes and areas which were going to capture of British, and they collected and gathered themselves and somehow started rebellions against British. But British suppressed this rebellion, as we know. Bahadur Shah sent to jail in Burma. Wajid Ali Shah deposed from his post. Mangal Pandey also executed and hanged up to death. So students, but we see there were some regimes and rulers who were not supportive of this mutiny, of this rebellion of soldiers. They supported British. What the names of them, students? Hyderabad was not in support of soldiers of India or Nawab of India and Awadh. They were in support of British. Kashmir also, Sikhs and Punjabis, Northwest Frontier province support the British, and Afghanistan part also supported the British. Okay students, page number 72, revolt. The political scene. What is the meaning of revolt, students? If you see in Hindi the word revolt, that means विद्रोह, or we can say आंदोलन. So students, the political scene during 1857 was volatile as the people were discontent with the company's policies and attitude. So students, attitude. So students, volatile means uneasy. So the political scene during 1857 was volatile as the people were discontent with the company's policies and attitude. So disposition of Wajid Ali Shah or deposition of last Mughal rulers Bahadur Shah II, and also suppression of soldiers mutiny like Mangal Pandey and Sitaram Pandey and all. So students, we have to concern that the situations of India, the political situations of India at that time become crucial, hard, because British wanted full sovereign power on our country. And that is why they deposed all the powerful rulers subsequently after Battle of Plassey, Battle of Buxar and all system. After 100 years, after the 100 years of Plassey's battle in 1857, the situation was that time is only Bahadur Shah II, Mughal ruler was there, Wajid Ali Shah, the permanent ruler and powerful ruler of Awadh was there. They opposed the British rule to capture whole India, but they were not in that so power that can rely or survive or sustain more against British, and somehow they had to give the whole powers in the hand of British, and British fully suppressed all revolution of 1857 and started rule. And after that, up to 1947, that 100-year rules or 90-year rules was there. So students, what is revolt? Because of uneasy situation in political view we see of India, because there was not any political ruler, because Bahadur Shah second sent to jail in Burma, while Ali Shah also deposed from his throne. So then there was not any sufficient and prominent ruler who can sustain or survive our country. So British took advantage of that position. And students, the revolt of 1857 was also known as Sepoy Mutiny, the Great Indian Rebellion, or the First War of Indian Independence. So the First War of Indian Independence or Sepoy Mutiny or Great Indian Rebellion is all same thing. And students, only because of the suppression policy or suppressive policy of British and the policy of capturing the regimes by any rule like subsidiary alliance or like doctrine of lapse. So by these all rules or systems of feudal system like Jagirdari crisis and Mahalwari and Mahalwari systems. So by all kinds of ill treatment, British somehow captured all territories in last Awadh, and some Sepoy mutiny were there, and finally last Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah II. So it was an important event in Indian history which brought about drastic changes in the administration of colonial India. So although this revolt was suppressed, but by this revolt some political changes in administrations of British policy occurred. And students, we see in that a mutiny becomes a rebellion. So first it was some kind of mutiny, that means withdraw as we see. Then after some time it becomes rebellion, that we can say Kranti. In Hindi that we can say Kranti. And students, the first sepoy to rebel against the use of Enfield rifles was Mangal Pandey from the 6th Company of the 34th Bengal Native Infantry. Students, and the first sepoy to revolt against the use of Enfield rifles was Mangal Pandey from 6th Company of the 34th Bengal Native Infantry. On 29th March 1857, Pandey tried to provoke his fellow sepoys to revolt against the British officers. He attacked 2 British officers and later attempted to shoot himself too. He was caught and hanged on 8 April 1857. After Pandey's act, his regiment was disbanded and many sepoys were sent to prison on 9th May 1857. So if we talk about the prominent rebellion of that time and first rebellion of sepoy, so he was Mangal Pandey. He rebelled against British after the use of Enfield rifles cartridges, which was made of fat of pig cow. And after that, when he started to provoke or encourage his other soldier friend that to participate in that mutiny, but he was not fully succeed. So he started lonely fight, and in that fight he killed 2 British soldiers. I think they was not killed, but he attacked on 2 British soldiers and then wanted to shoot himself also. But somehow British captured him and hanged after some days. As even as you see what hanged, that means, if you see in Hindi, hanged means फांसी. So he was hanged and got dead. So students, by this it was suppression of Sepoy mutiny, and the provoke of him and the encouragement of him against British to his fellow soldiers, he was not fully succeed, but somehow he got success that after his death, his total you can say infantry or his total group of soldiers started rebellion and revolt, and by that his regiment was disbanded. So that regiment has been dissolved or closed because that fire of mutiny was fully entered in the bloods of soldiers of that infantry or that group of soldiers. So students, On 10th May 1857, the sepoys of 3rd Bengal Cavalry Division went to Meerut and released the imprisoned sepoys. After releasing sepoys, they attacked and killed the British soldiers and destroyed their property. So, this is also very important thing to know, students. After the death of Mangal Pandey, the rebellion sepoys, the friend of Mangal Pandey, were imprisoned as rebellion and mutineers. But when 3rd Bengal Cavalry Division went to Meerut to release that prisoners and that soldiers, after release of that soldiers, what the soldiers they did, they killed that the British soldiers and destroyed their property. So after releasing from the jail, the anger of them caused the reason because of the hang of Mangal Pandey and the death of Mangal Pandey enraged the anger of them, and they killed some British soldiers and also destroyed the property of their students. Then they marched up to Delhi and captured it on 12 May 1857, and this is after Mangal Pandey's death. So his friends and friend soldiers went after killing their soldiers of Meerut, British soldiers of Meerut, and destroying the property of their. They marched to Delhi, and on 12th May 1857 they captured the property and captured Delhi. They asked Bahadur Shah II to become their leader, and they asked Bahadur Shah to become their leader. The Mughal Emperor accepted the leadership and asked other rulers to join the fight against the British, and soon a confederacy was formed. So Bahadur Shah agreed to become ruler and leader of that mutineers and that rebellions, and he also tried to take on same platform to other rulers also on this cause, and they also soon made a confederacy. What is confederacy, students? Alliance. They made some alliance like I told Wali Shah, and some further alliances are there. We will read further. So students, after that we see the spread of the rebellion. So as the word spread about the mutiny, many more sepoys from Awadh, Kanpur, Jhansi, Bundelkhand and Bihar joined the rebellion soon. The local people, peasants and zamindars too joined the cause. So simultaneously, students, after this rebellion of Mangal Pandey, in different cities of India, Awadh, Kanpur and Jhansi and Bundelkhand, Bihar, rebellion started, and Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jhansi became the centers of the revolt. And from Lucknow to Delhi and Jhansi, this became the center of the revolts. And in Kanpur, Nana Sahib had adopted here of Peshwa Bajirao II. So, as we know about the doctrine of lapse, if there is not any male here of any king, so that territory would be in hand of British. So by that territory of doctrine of lapse, Kanpur was also in terror to give his state. So Nana Sahib also adopted here of Peshwa Bajirao II, declared himself the governor and drove the British out of their barracks. So by that rule of doctrine of lapse, British captured Nana Sahib's barracks, but by this support of Bahadur Shah II and that rebellion who collected on Delhi, at Delhi, by this power Nana Sahib overthrown or made out the British from his barracks, and allowed himself and declared himself as a governor. And in Lucknow, Birjis Qadar, the son of Wajid Ali Shah, and also Nawab of Awadh, because that time the capital of Awadh was Lucknow, and Wajid Ali Shah was imprisoned or deposed, but his son, or I think Wajid Ali Shah was, but his son Birjis Qadar declared the Nawab. So he declared himself the Nawab of Lucknow or Awadh. So Rani Lakshmi Bai and Begum Hayrat Mahal, the wife of Wajid Ali Shah, also joined this rebellion. So Rani Lakshmi Bai from Jhansi and Begum Hayrat Mahal, the wife of Wajid Ali Shah, also joined this rebellion. And Tatya Tope, the general of Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope was general of Nana Sahib of Kanpur, fought alongside Rani Lakshmi Bai. In Bihar, Kumar Singh led the rebellion. In Bihar, Kumar Singh led this rebellion. So students, in this video, We covered up to page number 73's topic, the spread of the rebellion. In next video, students, we will see the causes of the revolt and political causes, in that economic causes and so on. So students, for this video there is homework. You have to write a case study of Mangal Pandey, what was exactly happened, and aftermath, and what was then happened after this scenario. You have to write all things as a summary, and all important topics and personalities should be included. Okay students, if you have any questions and queries, you can ask on my WhatsApp number. Till then students, have a nice day. Thank you.